Oh, hello everybody. How are you? The last section we're going to do is on this chapter, adding and subtracting scientific notations. So now, remember how we combine like terms? This is combining like terms in terms of base 10. So you must remember to add or subtract, base 10 must have the same powers. So just like we combining like terms, look, 5x plus 2x, they are like terms. Look, x and x, they both has power 1. But the like terms, you only add or subtract the coefficients here. So 5 plus 2 is the 7. If it's a minus, you subtract, but you always keep the variable as is. So in this case, when you have a base 10 as the same power, or you leave base 10 as same power as is, we will not touch. The same thing here. Look, this is a like terms in terms of x squared. So 8x squared plus 8x squared. Well, x squared stay the same. 8 plus 10 is 18. And also when you, sometimes the powers are not the same, you have to fix it. So now you have to remember is, when you move the decimal right to left, that's going to be positive power. And when you move decimal left to right, that's going to be negative power. So let me show you some examples. Sometimes they're ready, sometimes you have to fix it. So here is a couple of examples. Also, I was not able to find some problems on this one, the multiple choice. So this is the page I'm gonna post on Google Classroom. Make sure to read the direction. You have to do on the piece of paper and send me the picture of that page. So you're gonna do only 7 through 14. So here's just some examples how we add, subtract your scientific notations. So for example here, look very carefully, this is easy. So is the 2.74 times 10 to the power 7 plus 5.6 times 10 to the power 7. So the first thing when you add or subtract is you look for same, look, 10 and 10, they have the same base with exactly same power. So now when you add or subtract, we leave as is. But they must have the same power. So 10 to the power 7 is not going to go anywhere. So in the middle is always this. And instead of multiplying and dividing we did last time, you have to add these numbers. So now you can use a calculator or you can just do on the piece of paper. So it is a 2.74 plus 5.6. So this one is the 8.34. And you're done. Is 8.3 is less than 10? Yes. Is it greater than or equal to 1? Yes. But remember, 10 base must have the same power. If it does not have the same power, well then we fix it. And remember, you always keep the highest power. So we'll fix a smaller one. So for example, this one more. So here is a, for example, 8 point, let me show you one on, yeah, we can do this one. 8.3 times 10 to the power 6 and addition again, or we can do the next one. So there's a 3.4 times 10 to the power 5. So now, as is, you cannot combine those because the 6 power, so basically we cannot combine x with the x squared. So now in this case, we always keep the highest power. Make sure, make a note of this. So 6, so now this power must be 6. So now what do? 5 plus what gave us the 6 is 1. So this is 1. So when you add, your decimal gonna go to the left. Remember? The decimal, if you go decimal as a positive power. So when you add 1, this decimal gonna go this way. So now new number is now 0.34 times 10 to the power 6 is fixed. So keep in mind, when you plus 1, your decimal must go one place value left. So well now you're gonna add these numbers here now. So that's fine, you can use a calculator. So 10 to the power 6 is gonna stay the same. And it is 8.3 plus 0.34. So your answer is 8.64, and that's the answer. 8.4 is less than 10, and at the same time it is greater than or equal to 1. Let me show you a couple of problems on subtraction. So let's look at the power first. To add, subtract, the power, there must be like term first to add and subtract. If the powers are different, this means they are not like terms. So what you have to remember is when you add 1, your decimal is going to go 1 place value to the left. Mostly we add 1 most of the time. So here is one more on subtraction. So for example, we can make any problem. So here is let's say we have 5.6 times 10 to the power 7 minus 2.3 times 10 to the power 6. Let's go just 1. So next one we can do 2. Okay, so now we're going to subtract. The rule is the same. When you add or subtract, the base is 10, but at the same time must have the same powers. So 7, we always keep the biggest power. So now 6 plus 1 is 7, exactly the same way. This decimal is going to go 1 place value this way. Let's fix it. So this one becomes 0.23 and times 10 to the power 7 is a fix. That's it. So now, look, this is base 10 have the same power. When they have base 10 same power, keep as is. So now, instead of adding, we're going to subtract. So 5.6, so here, 5.6 minus 0.23. So the answer is 5.37, and that's the answer. Okay, so let me show you one more when you have to maybe fix, like maybe 2 place values. Or we can also do negative powers as well. So here is one more. So let's say this is 3 times 10 to the power negative 3 minus 2 times 10 to the power negative 5. That's fine. Okay. So we're going to subtracting. So when you add subtract, remember the rule is the same. The base 10 must have the same power. Which number is the bigger, negative 3 or negative 5? Well, negative 3, of course. So negative 3 we're going to keep. Well, then this one we have to fix. So now think of, so negative 5